Changing your primary bank on Bettercom is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option. This is usually found in the menu or profile section of the website. Step 3. Select banking information. In the account settings, find the section labeled banking information or payment methods. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your primary bank. Look for the option to change your primary bank. Enter the new bank details, including the account number and routing number, and ensure all information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new bank information, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your primary bank has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your primary bank on Bettercom. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.